Hi, this is Glossa, an Azure-powered responsive web application that helps non-native English speakers learn as well as use English for their day-to-day activities. It comes with 5 main features. Let us have a look at them one by one. The first one is text-to-text translation. Using this page, you can translate input text from one language to language of your choice, get synonyms of the translation if available, and listen to the voice configured output. You can try one of the given example sentences or a sentence of your choice. You can type the sentence here in any language as language auto detection is enabled. Next, select the target language. I'll let it be French in this case and click the translate button. You will receive the translated text and voice output. Let's listen to the voice output.
Salut, comment vas-tu?
Let us have a look at another example. In this case, just the word hi. Click on the translate button. Since a synonym for this word existed, the synonym is also returned. Let us listen to the voice output.
Salut.
Now what's special about this voice output is that it has been configured in such a way that a native of the target language, French in this case, is reading the translated text. This is really helpful for two reasons. If you are translating text to a language you're learning, then you will learn how to speak in that language. And if you're translating text from an unknown to a known language, then you will feel like a native of that language is speaking to you, thanks to the pre-configured accent and voice. Azure services used here are the translator and text-to-speech cognitive services APIs. The next feature is image OCR. Here you can upload any image with text in it and get its text extracted in target language of your choice. Upload an image here. You can use one of the sample images if you want to. Select the target language and click the process button. Now you can view the uploaded image, extracted text, and finally the translated text. A really helpful feature when you want to read printed or handwritten text that is in a non-native language. Azure services used here are the optical character recognition and translator cognitive services APIs. The next feature is called what's this called. Here you can upload any image, get its textual description that is caption and target language of your choice, and receive relevant news links to be able to search content related to it. You can use one of the sample images again if you want to. Upload an image here. Select a target language. I will choose Arabic this time. And click on the generate button. You can now view the uploaded image, caption, translated caption, and related news links. A helpful feature to increase your vocabulary range and related knowledge. Azure services used here are the Computer Vision Analyze an Image API and the Bing Search API. The next feature is called How J Say It. Here you can type an English sentence, get its spellings corrected, and receive the pronunciation of the corrected sentence. Let me use one of the misspelled example sentence. Select the voice type. Adjust the speech speed. And click the process button. You can view the corrected sentence and listen to the pronunciation of the corrected sentence.
How are you?
Adjust the speech speed such that you are able to better grasp the pronunciation of the sentence. Click on the process button again.
How are you?
And as you can notice, it's a lot slower this time, thereby helping a beginner pick up the pronunciation. You can also download the output audio. The last feature is an interactive chatbot that is able to solve your queries. Type a query here. You can try one of the sample queries. Let's go with describe the Azure services used and click on the chat button. You will now receive the response. This was built using the Lewis Cognitive Services API. This is Lewis using which the chatbot was built. Here is the GitHub repo link where you can access all the code files. And here are some of the Azure services used. The inspiration for this project is my dad. He learned English for the first time only when he graduated from secondary to higher secondary school. His primary language until then was Tamil, and he shared with me how difficult it was for him to pick up English, as the dictionary was the only means of translation for him. Receiving captions for images or vocal pronunciations of words were distant dreams at that time. Let us think about this. Today, even though English is the most spoken language in the world, there are millions of people, especially in the developing countries, that still do not possess basic English proficiency. This is limiting their growth, and hence, with today's technological advances, I wanted to help by building something useful for them. I believe Glossa, with all the features it provides, can help people all across the world learn a language like English and excel in their lives. With that said, I think I have built something that is truly helpful to people in need and also scalable thanks to Azure services. It was a huge pleasure participating in this hackathon and I learned a lot. Thank you.